Hey everybody, welcome back to the channel. Last night we had a thunderstorm and I just wanted to give a quick update. We didn't have any hail or anything like that, but we did have some straight line winds. And as you can see behind me, the grain bin that used to be right there is now there, and it is upside down. So that was quite the wind. Let's go take a closer look. So this was one of these older grain bins. It wasn't on cement or anything. It had a steel bottom and wood underneath. And they had it tied down too. But you can see it pulled the stakes right out of the ground. Some of them the wire broke. See this one here, the wire didn't break, the bracket came off. This bin hasn't been used in many years, but it's kind of, it was spooky, I tell you. The kids went in the basement, and you know, the house is just over there, and this was exposed to the south, so the wind can really whip through here, and that's the way the wind was from, was out of the south last night. But yeah, there it is, upside down. So another mess to clean up. We got some good rain though. We were so dry, and we had 3 days of rain last week and rain last night with this storm. This was crazy. I looked out the window in the dark last night. I thought something doesn't look right out there. Wasn't in the right spot, and every time I look out the window now with this here, I keep thinking there's this big gray monster coming to the house because this isn't where it belongs. But well, now I gotta figure out a use for this. Take it apart or do something with it. I haven't decided yet. I have some ideas. Well, if you have any ideas of what to do with this old bin, put them down in the comments below. Hit that like button, and if you're new here, please consider subscribing. And again, my name's John. This is Excellence in Agriculture. Thanks for watching. We'll see you next time.